Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. My name is Navid and this is Hyperpix. I'm back with another text effect, the famous Jurassic World logo. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can apply your text to this logo. Less than, how much do you think it will take? Less than 2 minutes. Without any special knowledge in Photoshop. If you want to download this template, go to hyperpix.net and grab a premium account and get this and hundreds of other text effects that will help you. Okay, let me show you how it works. Right click on the text. Okay, let's start for the symbol behind our text. Okay, I want to show you how. Right click on the second yellow layer and select edit content, and in this window put every shape and logo so you can get the 3D logo here. For example, I'm gonna change the tiger here. I'm gonna import the original logo. Let me show you how it works. Our design is totally a copy of the shape of the original logo. But for the copyright, we couldn't exactly copy it. Okay, what we're going to do is select magic wand tool here. I'm going to select in here, choose Ctrl J, and this is what we got here. Okay. I'm going to remove the other and select just the dinosaur here. I'm going to select it and there it is. I want to drag it here, select Ctrl T or Command T, transform it here, and I think it's good. I'm going to drag it a little bit up. There it is. Look at the original logo and everything is good. I'm gonna disable this logo replace layer. If you think some place like this is not good, but you can select brush and brush it. Just the color doesn't matter. We're not gonna have a problem with the two color here. Okay, from the file, select save, and let's get back to the artwork. There it is. Can you believe that? It's very easy, and as easy as it gets, our style has been applied to this. You can also have the area, these grasses. You can have this in logo too. Select it and import it here, resize it, and put it at the bottom of your design. Okay, go to file and save it. Let's get back to design. As you can see here, and this is beautiful. Okay, let's edit the text. Now right click on the text layer and select edit content, and in the new window double click on the text layer and type your own text. I'm gonna write Jurassic World. Okay, close it and select yes. There it is, beautifully done, and our style has been applied to our text. Less than how much? Like 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, we got the glow. You can drag it up and right to left. You can also remove it. It's not very essential. You can also put it a little bit up, and from the warp you can change the shape of it and put it like here. It's totally up to you. We got background, which is the smoke in the background. We got also the light behind it. We also got the background. If we disable all of them, we got this as transparent. We can use it in any project. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this. if you want to download this, go to hyperpix.net and create a premium account and download this. Thanks for watching this. Please subscribe to our channel. I'll see you.